Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to download and install apps on Samsung. Now there are basically two ways you can install apps on your Samsung phone. The first and easiest method is to get the app from the Google Play Store. For this, you would have to make sure you are connected to the internet, either to your Wi-Fi network or another hotspot network. So from the top notification center of your Samsung phone, you should be able to find your Wi-Fi settings. Just make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or hotspot network and you have internet access. Then you can proceed to open up the Google Play Store. Now from the Google Play Store, you should be able to search for apps using the search icon at the bottom over here, and then just search for any app you want to download and install. Take for instance, if I want the Facebook app, I will go ahead and search for Facebook. Just search for it and you should be able to find the app directly from here. All you just have to do is to click on the install button and this particular app will be downloaded and installed into your Samsung phone. Keep in mind that some of the apps from the Google Play Store are actually premium applications, but once your app is downloaded and installed, you can just go ahead and click on the open button to open it up. And if you come over to the home of your Samsung now, you should be able to find the app you just downloaded and installed from over here. Now for the second method, if you want to get apps from unknown sources on your Samsung, you would have to go over to the settings of your Samsung phone, and from the settings you want to just scroll down until you get to the security and privacy settings over here. Scroll down and make sure you turn off auto blocker. You'll be required to enter your password, so you just want to go ahead and enter your password. Then you want to click on the more security settings over here. Scroll down and you should be able to find the install unknown apps settings. Go ahead and select that, and from the list of apps over here you can enable or toggle on the feature that allows you to be able to install apps from unknown sources using any of these applications listed over here. So I can go ahead and enable it for the Google Chrome browser, and I can now use the Google Chrome browser to install unknown apps into my Samsung phone. Keep in mind that if you're installing apps from unknown sources, it is not generally safe, so you have to make sure that you're installing verified apps by Google so that you don't get viruses into your Samsung phone. If this tutorial was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.